Hi, this is Suda. Today, I will tell you what cross-contamination is. We will visit the tattoo studio to observe this. Everybody keep their distance and don't touch anything. Here's a client with a disease coming to the studio to get a tattoo. This client may be carrying the hepatitis B, hepatitis C, or HIV virus. These diseases can be transmitted through blood, are extremely dangerous, difficult to treat and can be fatal, which you will carry throughout your life. Let's see what happens as a result of our clients getting a tattoo in an unclean studio. The transfer fluid, which was held without gloves, touched the skin and became contaminated. Well, it didn't look so sterile anyway. By applying the transfer fluid to the skin without gloves, it also carried the microorganisms it collected from the environment to the client. The disease in the client is also contaminate the needle, artist's hand, and tattoo machine. Well, our client with the disease got his tattoo and is leaving. But, as you see, the disease he carries does not go with him. The disease awaits in all contact areas, such as tattoo stretcher, inks, and tattoo machine. Also, our tattooist is now infected by the disease because of the small cut on his hand. Then, unaware of anything, someone comes to get a tattoo. While HIV can survive for 30 minutes outdoors, hepatitis B can survive for up to 7 days, and hepatitis C for up to 3 weeks. Unfortunately, the disease was transmitted because our needle, which should be disposable, was not changed. Even if the needle was changed, the possibility of being infected from many places, such as tattoo machine, paper towel, tattoo stretcher, was also very high. Although tattoos look like pictures, it should not be forgotten that they are open wounds. As a result of sterilization fail, the disease was transferred to tattoo artist and the next client. And who knows how many more. That's how cross-contamination works. What we need to do to prevent all of this is very simple actually, being clean. I have an appointment soon. Let's see together what to do. First of all, we disinfect our hands. Put on our gloves and mask. We disinfect the tattoo stretchers and setup stations. Then, put on the disposable stretcher cover. We use stretch for easier move and specially produced paper towels for the tattoo and the setup cover. Because these paper towels are sterilized by gamma irradiation methods, these creates an environment where many bacteria and viruses cannot be exist. We disinfect the tattoo machine before each use, and will protect it with a machine bag. We use disposable sterile needles. And disinfect the washing bottle and put a bag on it. We also use sterile water. Take the glide, the disposable spatula, and throw the spatula into the bib. Because when the glide is run out, using the same spatula again, we contaminate the glide box. This could cause the next client to get infected. We never touch the caps of ink bottles directly. If you are using the ink bottles on setup station, they must be disinfected at the end. Now the setup station is ready. We can do this stencil. We clean the area before the transfer process. Then, remove the hair with disposable razor. The transfer fluid bottle should not come into direct contact with skin, because there may be microcuts in skin. Disease can be transferred from cuts to the bottle and the next client. Ta-da! The tattoo is done. Now, it's time for the cleanup. After each customer, we throw the stretcher cover into the biohazard bin. And we disinfect our stretcher. We throw our needle in the shop's container. We clean our tattoo machine after every use. As the same, disinfect our cleaning bottle. We make our cleaning water non-flowing with the liquid solidifier and throw it into the biohazard bin. Even if the remaining materials are not used, we throw them to the bin either. We disinfect the setup station and finish the cleaning process. By implementing these, you can prevent cross-contamination and protect the health of both yourselves and your clients. If you're interested in tattoo art, we will be very happy if you follow and support. You can contact us for your questions. See you again.